This activity is titled Creating the Product Tables in Management Studio, and this is from our SQL implementation and maintenance book. So the first thing we need to do is go to our databases, and we're going to be using the MS SQL training database that we created in an earlier video. We want to go to Tables and New Table, and we're going to call the first column prod ID, which is product ID, and we want, for the data type, we want it to be an integer, and we're going to uncheck allow nulls. And then at the bottom here, we want to look for identity specification, and we want to change that value to yes. And then we're going to go back up here, and we're going to type description. And the data type is the NVAR character of 100, which I don't see. I see 50 and max, so we can choose max. Allow the maximum number of descriptions, and then finally we're going to put in stock, and it's also going to be an integer data type. Okay, and the last thing we need to do is save it. So I'm going to come up here and click save, and the name for our tables is products, and we can click OK. So now we go over to our tables. You can see that we have just created a products table with columns, and that will conclude this activity on creating the products table in Management Studio.